Who is that?
Ariel. Ariel cousin Ariel. Okay.
Oh, there you got it.
I get a big one for you.
Open on the floor. Ah.
I can't get it. It's on my throat. Throat.
Come here, I'll help you.
You got a seatbelt on, so she'll wreck
You
it.
already got the seatbelt on. Come here, I'll help you. Trying to take the doll out. I don't know. Does she come out?
Another one.
Jag vet inte om du missar.
What? Well, how am I supposed to
Take it off the table, Miss. It'll be easier to open.
There you go. It's broken.
These dogs are life here.
What's in there, Missa?
A babysitting mama.
What is it?
It's babysitting mama.
Oh my goodness. Have you been waiting for that, baby?
Yeah, it's got head in it.
What is it?
I said baby mama. No, don't put it on the car. It's nutty.
It's a game for the Lord.
Serenity, come over here. Come get your car.
No.
Start off the baby. And it shows pictures of what the baby needs to be done.
No, Serenity, no.
Here.
Do
I'm
it.
gonna look at the baby. I'm gonna
Yeah.
look here.
Are you happy?
Give it to Mama. She'll help.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so
Well, look the baby. Well, look the baby out.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you to who?
Thank you.
Everybody.
Everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Well, it's not your birthday.
This is a baby. It's so cute, baby. It's a
Bye.
good Wacko kids and the kids. And we'll walk here.
Oh, you
The rocker? Are you going to test it out over here?
Oh, yeah, you can.
First he said he didn't get any presents, and I said, well, it's Marissa's birthday, and then he turned around.